Hi everyone, I hope you are all having a great start to 2023. We have a couple staff updates to share. First, DBH is excited to welcome back Dr. Alice Belford Saldana, who is our Deputy Director for Forensic Services. She is an experienced behavioral health professional with 23-year history of working in the public and private sector. Our medical services team has recently promoted 2 new associate medical directors. Dr. Rishi Parikh is the Associate Medical Director of Children's Services, and Dr. Amran Faizi is the Associate Medical Director of Forensic Services. DBH's Community Response Team is a community-based mobile crisis response team for children and adults experiencing a psychiatric emergency. There are now central phone numbers that the team can be reached at from 7 a.m. till 10 p.m. daily. The phone number to call is 800-398-0018, or the phone number or to text is 909-420-0560. Program Support Services has a new unit called Revenue Cycle. The new administrative manager for this unit is April Guzman. Barbara Newton was formerly overseeing the claims unit, so Barbara and April will be working closely during the transition as billers formerly reporting to information technology transition to the new unit. This unit will be completing the non-technical aspects of billing and claims. Enhanced Care Management has successfully entered its second year in collaboration with the Managed Care Plan, Inland Empire Health Plan, and are finalizing a contract with Molina Healthcare. Student Behavioral Health Incentive Program, also known as SBHIP, is a statewide effort by the Department of Healthcare Services to increase behavioral health services connected to schools. SBHIP is an opportunity for local managed care plans like Inland Empire Health Plan and Molina to draw down funds and implement structural interventions with local schools. There were 14 intervention options, for example, behavioral health wellness programs, where funds would be used to develop the infrastructure to develop or expand prevention and early intervention practices in schools. Another example is substance use disorder, where funds would be used to increase access to substance use disorder prevention, early intervention, and treatment. San Bernardino IHP and Molina partnered with San Bernardino County Superintendent of Schools and successfully submitted their applications for the SBHIP in December of 2022. The awarding of the fund should be announced by next month with a rapid implementation and build-up over the next 1 to 2 years. DBH was featured by our County CEO, Leonard Hernandez, for a department spotlight. The feature highlighted the amazing efforts of our Substance Use Disorder and Recovery Services Division with the Narcan Distribution Project. We have partnered with schools and organizations to train and equip our community with this life-saving medicine. If you'd like to request Narcan, please email dbhnaloxone@dbhsbcounty.gov. In addition to our Narcan efforts, all county-run clubhouses, including Victorville, Barstow, San Bernardino, Fontana, and Ontario, now have Narcan available for consumer and community distribution. All staff are trained on Narcan distribution requirements and information sharing. Clubhouses are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., except for established county holidays. The San Bernardino County Behavioral Health Commission advises the San Bernardino County Board of Supervisors on aspects of local behavioral health programs. Multiple vacant seats are available in the 2nd and 3rd Board of Supervisor districts. Consider volunteering for this integral role to further the mission of optimum wellness for our community. More information can be found on our website. Lastly, the Resilient and Real podcast presented by DBH is back for a 3rd season of great episodes. The podcast is available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, iHeartRadio, or wherever you get your podcasts. As always, thank you for your incredible work that you do to serve our communities.